Hello, my name is Phil Cohen, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today I'm going to look at the backhand strike from the wedge guard. So let's look at the wedge guard first. Make sure that we put up a good wedge guard. Okay, I'm going to give you a good base stance. Okay, feet parallel to each other, and okay, I'm going to move my front elbow up nice and high, protecting my face, just like so. Bending my knees a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to start from this position. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come around and strike the back of our hand. It's important to remember, you're not striking with your fingers. That might hurt a little bit. You want to strike the back of the hand with the knuckles on. So, we're going to start from the wedge guard. Now, my backhand's going to remain here. So when I do the strike, I want to still protect this front of my body, okay? And we also want to make sure that after you do the backhand strike, you want to immediately get to the wedge guard. Okay? You never want to have your hand hanging out there and somebody might grab it. You don't want that. Okay, so I'm going to do a few of these from the front. Okay, so I'm going to come around the front, just like so. I don't want to do a wild backhand strike. I'm going to stop right about there. Okay, so, and I want to twist a little bit too. So I'm going to twist a little bit, and 1, and 2, and 3. Making sure that hand comes immediately back to get back into that wedge guard. So you can do just like this. Okay, let me do it from the side angle. Okay, get into a good wedge base stance. Knees bent because it makes it easier twisting and gives you more stability. Okay, so I'm going to get into that wedge guard. Okay, I'm going to come around the front, hit with the back of my hand, and come back. Okay, I also don't want to fling my arm straight like this because it puts a lot of stress on the elbow. So you really got to do this with your arm slightly bent, like so. Okay, so I'm going to have Mr. Mitchell come in, and he's going to help me demonstrate the backhand strike from the wedge guard. Like that. Okay, so let's do this. Left foot in front. Okay, I get into a good wedge guard. Okay. Okay, now we're just going to touch and push the first 3 strikes. Okay, are you ready? Okay, and 1, and 2. Make sure you hit it with the back of your hand. 3. Okay, now a little bit harder. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so notice how he's immediately getting back to that wedge guard. Okay, he's not leaving his hand out there, and he's getting back into that wedge guard. Thank you, Mr. Mitchell. Let me shift down. Okay, the important thing to remember: good base stance. Start from a good wedge guard. Okay. After you do that strike, you're going to come immediately back. Don't let your hand hang out there like that. Just like that. And that is the backhand strike from a wedge guard.